Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavithashok Educational and Motivational channel. We are continuing our second part. Previously we discussed 5 questions in the quadratic expressions. Now 5 more questions from that. So that is end part of the quadratic expressions 2 marks questions. From these 10 questions we may expect the annual exam questions. Okay. So we are continuing the question here. For what values of x the expression x square minus 5x minus 14 is positive, right? Take like this here, positive expression is positive in the sense we will take like this here, x square minus 5x minus 14 is greater than 0, positive in the sense greater than 0. So first we will find out the factors for that. 14 in the sense the multiplication value will be 7 2 ja and 7 minus 2 will becomes 5. We will do like this here, minus 14 na? So we will write this as 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Here minus is na? The highest will get minus and this will be plus, then automatically it will be minus. Minus 7 plus 2 will be minus 5x. So that's why x square minus 5 minus 7x plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. Then from these two x common, x minus 7, from these two 2 common, x minus 7 is equal to 0, x minus 7 common, x plus 2 equal to 0, then x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 2. The least value we will take that as alpha and highest value will be beta. Once look at here, x square coefficient is nothing is there in the sense 1, that will be positive. Expression greater than 0 is there, greater than 0 in the sense this will be positive. Plus according to the rule plus in the sense repulsion. So we have the roots like this here, plus in the sense repulsion na? So that's why we will get x less than minus 2 or x greater than 7. Is it clear? No? Why? Because here strictly is there. If greater than or equal to is there, we will get x less than or equal to minus 2 and x greater than or equal to 7. If suppose plus minus attraction symbol is there, then we can get the answer like this here, minus 2 less than x less than 7. But here plus is there na? We can't get this one, so we will get like this here. So for what values of x the expression is positive in the sense, for these values the expression is positive. For what? X less than 2 or x greater than 7, like this we can do the answer. Now one more question, discuss the sign of the expression when x is real. Previously we discussed about the positive, so sometimes it may be negative, but here discuss the sign in the sense in both of the cases when it will be positive and when it will be negative we have to find out. So for that sake first we will find out that roots. To find out the roots we will do like this here, x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here 4 is in, the multiplication value will be 4, the addition value will be 5. So then 4 1 ja 4. Okay. Here 4 is there positive, but here negative is there, that's why we will take minus. Okay. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus into minus will becomes plus. And minus 4 plus minus 1 will becomes here minus 5. So both will be adjust. So we can write this as x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 4 and minus 1 common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. From these two x minus 4 common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1. Minimum value we will take alpha and maximum value we will take beta. I told na plus is a repulsion and plus minus is a attraction. So we will do like this here. If 1 less than x less than 4 means attract two positions, 1 less than x less than 4, then x square minus 5x plus 4, ax square plus bx plus c comma a have the opposite sign. So x square coefficient is positive na? Opposite sign in the sense this will be less than 0. For 1 less than x less than 4, then x square minus 5x plus 4 is less than 0. If x less than 1 or x greater than 4, here repulsion is there. Repulsion is there in the sense here that as the same sign. So then x square minus 5x plus 4 is greater than 0. Plus in the sense repulsion. Here plus minus, lesser is there, plus minus. Then it will be attraction. The answer will be like this here. So compulsory we will expect these questions for the annual exam. Is it clear now? Right. Find the maximum or minimum value of this expression where x belongs to R. So x varies in the real variable. So first write down in convenient form. Convenient in the sense ax square plus bx plus c form. So we will write like this here. Minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. So when you compare with this ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to what here? Minus 3. This will be less than 0. So whenever a value less than 0, the expression has the maximum value. If greater than 0, minimum value. Less than 0, maximum value. So expression has maximum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a. So then x is equal to minus b in the sense 2 by 2 into a in the sense minus 3. 2 get cancelled, minus can get cancelled. This will be 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by 3. So the expression has maximum value at x is equal to 1 by 3. We want maximum or minimum value. So we have here only maximum value. So we can find out the maximum value like this here. Maximum value is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is the formula to find out the maximum value. So then 4a in the sense minus 3, c in the sense 5, 4ac minus b square in the sense 2 square by 4a in the sense here minus 3 again. So 4 5 is 20 minus 60 minus 4 by minus 12. So minus 64 by minus 12. Minus cancel. 4 3 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 6 ja. So maximum value is equal to 16 by 3. Look at here now. Maximum at x is equal to 1 by 3 and the maximum value will be 16 by 3. We have to remember this formula. Maximum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a and maximum value will be 4ac minus b square by 4a. So by using these formulas we can easily calculate the answer. Yes, look at here sir. If the equations x square plus ax plus b equal to 0 and x square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 have a common root. Along with that, the first equation, this equation has equal roots. By using these two properties, we have to prove here 2 times of b plus d is equal to ac. So we will do like this here. Excuse me. If alpha is the common root, then what it will becomes? Alpha square plus a alpha plus b equal to 0. Right. Here alpha square plus c alpha plus d equal to 0. So we will solve these two equations 1 and 2. Okay. Now alpha square plus a alpha plus b equal to 0. Alpha square plus c alpha plus d equal to 0. Subtraction. So minus. Alpha square get cancelled. Alpha common, a minus c we can get here. Here b minus d equal to 0. Alpha is equal to b minus d by a minus c. We are calculating alpha there. Along with that, what he says here, the equation 1 has equal roots. So then alpha square plus a alpha plus b equal to 0. Na? The roots of this will be, we can take alpha comma alpha. It has the equal roots, na? Alpha comma alpha. Right. Sum of the roots alpha plus alpha is equal to minus b by a na formula. This is minus a. Means 2 alpha is equal to minus a, then alpha is equal to minus a by 2. Right. Next, product of roots means alpha into alpha is alpha square is equal to c by a. C by a in the sense here, in the place of c, b is a. B by a in the 1. C by a means b by 1, then alpha square will be b. alpha will be minus a by 2 and alpha square will be b, right? So we will do like this here. Without using this also we can calculate. What it says here? Equation 1 has the equal roots now, alpha square plus a alpha plus. We are substituting these values in the equation number 2. In the place of alpha square, this will be b plus c into. In the place of alpha, we will replace minus a by 2 plus d equal to 0. So 2 is the LCM here, 2b minus ac plus 2d equal to 0. So 2 common, b plus d in minus ac equal to 0. 2 times of 0 into 2, no sir, that's why this will be 0. 2 times of b plus d is equal to what we can get here? AC. So alpha is the common root, then substitute alpha in both of the equations. Along with that, what it says here? Alpha comma alpha are the roots. Why? Because it has the equal roots. From this, sum of the roots will be this one, product of the roots will be this one. Substitute these two values in equation number 2, then automatically we can get the answer. Without using the simplification also, we can get the answer. Okay? Right. Two equations are given. They have a common root, then find a. In the previous case, unknown values are there, ax square plus bx plus c, like that here. But here, complete equation is a quadratic equation. By solving this, we can get the roots. Okay? Here 5 is there. The product value will be 5 and the addition value will be 6. So 5 1 is 5. We can write this as x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equal to 0. X common, x minus 5 and minus 1 common, x minus 5 equal to 0. X minus 5 common, then x minus 1 equal to 0. Then x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 1. Okay, right. Case 1. If 5 is a common root, 5 is a common root, then it must satisfy the equation, second equation, then it satisfies the equation. We can substitute like this here. 5 square minus 3a into 5 plus 35 equal to 0. 5 square is 25 minus 15a plus 35 equal to 0. Minus 15a is equal to 30, 50, 60. Minus 60. Minus minus cancel. 15 1 is 15 4 is. A is equal to 4. If 5 is the common root, we can get a value as 4. The case 2. Suppose if 1 is a common root, 1 is a common root, then 1 square minus 3a into 1 plus 35 equal to 0. 1 minus 3a plus 35 equal to 0. Minus 3a is equal to minus 36. Minus minus cancel. 3 1 is 3 2 is. A is equal to 12. Like this we can solve the problem. First to simplify this one, by using case 1 and case 2 we can solve the a values. So up to this total 10 problems are covered. From these 10 questions we may expect any question for the annual exam. Thank you.